All right, got the pressure washer hooked up. I got water to it. I want to bleed the line from the air, so I'm just going to squeeze the trigger with no attachment. That allows all the water to come through, so I'm good there. I'm going to straighten out my hose a little bit, and then we'll put an attachment on here, and then we'll turn it on. All right, this is with the, not the smallest attachment, but the next to smallest. Good pressure. I gotta say, with this attachment on here, that's pretty powerful. I had some paint there that the thing definitely took off. But yeah, 1750 psi, and seems to be doing the job I want. All right, so the purpose of all of that was just to clean off some of the old dirt and some of the paint that had been layered on. I am going to get these sanded and repainted and then sell them probably on Facebook Marketplace. These are for a two-door Jeep JK. They're heavy duty. I want to say each one weighs 40, 50 pounds, somewhere in that range. They're pretty heavy duty. The ones that I put on, both of them weigh what one of these weigh. I know that because the shipping weight said 42 pounds, and I pick up about 50 pounds at work with sugar and flour and stuff like that, and one of these is about that heavy. So yeah, if you're looking for some heavy duty two-door Jeep JK rails that have 3 bars and a reinforcement on it, it does have a flat side on the other side. They're not perfect, but I've looked at these online. These go for quite a bit of money when they're new. But yeah, I'm gonna probably put them on sale on Facebook once I clean these up, and it'll go to another happy owner.